Amazon's marketing plan has helped the company grow quickly and make lots of money over the years. This case study looks at how Amazon went from selling books to selling almost everything. It shows how Amazon grew into the e-commerce giant it is today. History. Jeff Bezos, who graduated from Princeton in 1986, was the founder and first CEO of Amazon. Bezos studied electrical engineering and computer science in college, but he quickly saw that the internet could be used to sell things. Bezos was going to start an online store called Cadabra, but people misheard it as cadaver, so Bezos chose to name the company after a big river in South America. Amazon was born, and Bezos' idea for the company grew quickly. Here are some of the most significant periods in Amazon's past. Amazon's marketing mix product. As we've already said, Amazon used to only sell books, but they quickly added CDs, furniture, technology, and other goods to their line. Today, Amazon has more goods than any other online or offline store. Some of Amazon's best-selling products include cookware, fashion items, fitness equipment, home entertainment, home office furniture, laptops. Amazon has grown quickly and beat its competitors by offering a wide range of goods and using a unique pricing strategy. In fact, 40% of all online sales in the United States belongs to Amazon. Amazon uses different pricing tactics to attract customers and get them to spend more than they planned. Their strategy consists of Amazon's pricing strategies: cost plus pricing, value pricing, price discrimination, psychological pricing, promotional pricing. Amazon has used the high runner market strategy the most out of all the ones mentioned above. This strategy works because Amazon looks at what's popular and what's on trend and then sells those items at a lower price. When a customer puts this item in their cart, Amazon suggests some extra items to go with it. The price tags on the items are much higher than their average price, but most people don't notice the difference. For example, the price of a phone might go down, but the speakers, headphones, chargers, and cases that are suggested cost more than usual. In the end, people pay more because they are distracted by the offer they just got and they need those extra suggested goods anyway. Place Amazon began in Seattle, Washington, probably because the state didn't have a sales tax. The company sells to people all over the world now. There are Amazon stores all over the United States. The company has also grown and has stores in Canada and Germany. The company made Amazon global so that people could shop on Amazon from across the globe. This project makes more goods available to customers from anywhere. Promotion. Amazon advertises their goods in a bunch of traditional ways, such as through print and digital ads. Pay-per-click, PPC, ads, and sales promotions are also used by the company. Amazon also made an affiliate program so that their items can be advertised on other sites, which is good for both parties. This is how the program works. Amazon's affiliate program. On an affiliate website has a link directing users to Amazon. The user makes a purchase from that link within 24 hours. The affiliate site is paid a portion of the sale. Amazon's marketing strategies. Data-driven approach. Amazon spent a lot of money on a study of its customers. They wanted to find out how people shopped so they could reach better to their customers. Amazon can keep track of the habits that are popular among its customers. For example, when they make a purchase and how much they pay is tracked for data. Research consumer habits. You can use this aspect of Amazon's marketing strategy by researching the consumer habits in your industry. By studying how your customers act, you can find out why they buy from you and if there are issues. You can also learn where and when to promote your products to reach your target market. Tips on how to conduct consumer research. Define your purpose. Look at case studies. Utilize social listening. Leverage polls and surveys. Analyze your data. Now, let's check if you paid enough attention and can answer the following question. What was the original name Jeff Bezos chose for the online store before it became Amazon? Cadaver. Amazon. Cadabra. Customer-centric attitude. Amazon has adopted a customer-centric attitude to increase purchases. They have a user-friendly website for customer service that can help people with all kinds of questions. Their mission states Amazon strives to be Earth's most customer-centric company, Earth's best employer, and Earth's safest place to work. They follow this attitude because they know how important it is to take care of your customers. They give each customer unique suggestions based on what they have recently looked at and bought. These things make it more likely that they will come back and make another purchase. Improve customer experience. Customer experience is a key part of making money. After a good customer service experience, 89% of customers are more likely to buy from that company again. Tips on improving customer experience. Understand what your customers want. Analyze customer pain points. Streamline communication. Foster personal connections. Personalize customer experiences. Listen to customer feedback. Emphasizing technological growth. Jeffrey Bezos is known for trying to grow his business into new areas of technology. It shouldn't come as a surprise that Amazon's marketing strategy takes this desire into account. In the beginning, when Amazon mostly sold books, the company chose to try something new. They created the Kindle e-reader, Amazon's tablet computer, and Kindle Fire. At some point, Amazon started offering more ebooks than print books. This gave them the chance to sell other things. By focusing on the potential technology and growing their business in that direction, they'd found success. Expand into a new niche. You can use this part of Amazon's marketing plan as a model for your own business by trying out new areas. You can try going deeper into specific parts of your business, just like Amazon did with ebooks. This effort can help attract a more specific audience. Even though moving into new areas can bring in more money, don't forget about your main market. Even though Amazon is interested in more than just books, they still sell books. Promoting user-generated content. Customers being able to post reviews is probably one of the best parts of Amazon's marketing plan. 93% of people read online reviews before they buy something, which shows why this approach works so well. People often include pictures of the product in their reviews on Amazon. These reviews help other potential customers determine whether or not they want to purchase the product. Highlight your best reviews. When you let your goods speak for themselves, it makes your business seem more reliable. The best way to do this is to show off the user-generated material that gets the most praise. When real people say how much they like a product, it can make other people more likely to buy it. People are more likely to trust this kind of content because they know the person is sharing their real thoughts about their goods. Utilizing digital channels. Amazon's marketing approach has relied a lot on digital channels to reach partners and customers. Amazon uses social media, associates programs, sponsored search, and email campaigns as part of its strategy. Amazon's email marketing approach includes promoting recommended items, holiday sales, discounts, new arrivals, and more. Go where your customers are. This strategy works because Amazon knows exactly where its customers are, so it knows where to put its content. You can analyze where your audience is and select the best channels to reach them to. These channels can include media, social print marketing, email marketing, referral websites, word of mouth, SEO, pay-per-click marketing. Don't forget that you can always add and remove channels from your strategy based on what's working well. For now, figure out which channels will help you reach your audience with your content. Fostering partnerships. Amazon works with a lot of different companies to bring a wide range of goods to its website. To meet customer needs, the company has teamed up with more than 550 other businesses. In the early 2000s, Amazon partnered with Living.com to bring their furniture pieces to Amazon.com. Since then, the company has increased the number of partnerships to expand their inventory. Choose to partner with businesses who have similar values, have complementary skills, understands your goals, communicates regularly, shares your vision for the future. Collaborations should help both parties. Let people know what your company's goals are so you can find the right partner. Create your empire. This case study shows that Amazon's marketing strategy is based on business growth and innovation. Amazon grew by collecting data, expanding product lines, and emphasizing partnerships and customer satisfaction. If you look at how Amazon does business, you can build your own business that will help you to succeed.